How to improve a decent perspective. That's simple. You need to exaggerate the volumetric qualities of the specific perspective. So a stronger canopy, maybe a thinner one, definitely a larger canopy, larger cast shadow, smaller stairs. They can definitely look like this. They add like a little shadow here. Obviously the window could have all sorts of detailing. Stuff like this works. And like a different little window here. The main problem with this perspective is the fact that I made the assignment for this house to be a 3-story building, and it's drawn like a 2-story one. So in its essence it's wrong, because it implies an axis of symmetry, which we all hate, right? Axis of symmetry here, which shouldn't exist, and then the building should look a bit more closer to thirds. Right, so this is my attempt to repair my student's faulty work, which, you know, although it does look significantly better, it still fails due to not being a 3-story building. Cool. If you like this video, subscribe. I'll see you on my live trainings. Take care. Dwell nicely.